Welcome everybody to our show. This is Custom Fab Garage on our channel OCTANE TV on YouTube. Make sure you go down below and hit that subscribe button, and on top of that, make sure that you hit the notification bell so that you can get all the new content that comes out weekly and even every day. I'm serious. All right, talk about what you're doing.
So, take your handy dandy plastic pry tool. There's a screw back here and there's a screw right here. So you take your little pry tool, pop this in here. It should pop completely out. You have to watch this right here, and it slides down in the little things here. There's a Phillips screw right there.
All right.
So this one here, there's a little bitty spot on the end right here. If you look, you can see it right here. On Hondas and stuff like that, they usually have it where you can put that in here and pull it, pop it right up. Of course, this pry tool, there it goes. So you just pop it up. You can see we're working it all the way around. Come on, we can do it. There we go. Alright, so you watch this little right here, because it slides into here. So you have to slide it out, flip this over. That's 2 plug-ins. You have to take this little bitty white right here, push that little bitty tab in. I don't know if you can see it where they're at. There's a little tab right here you push in. And once you push that in, it'll come your comes right up. And right here's the tab.
Okay.
Okay, and this is the same thing. The little gray one, push it down. And it slides right out.
Okay.
And you can set this to the side. Phillips has a little bitty washer kind of type that where you can fit into the plastic. This one here's a lot longer one.
Definitely don't want to get them mixed up.
Then you take your plastic pry tool, get around on the edge. I know it sounds bad, but it's not really that bad. It's just popping off. I always get made fun of saying I'm gonna break stuff. That stays with the car. You take it and you slide it right back into the hole. And then this comes right out. Now,
And there's the back side.
these are the little
clips.
push ins.
You want to make sure you put all those back in before you put the door panel back on.
Alright, so with this, it has one screw.
It's like a bolt, basically.
You see, it's pretty good tight on there. You gotta take your handy dandy pry tool, try to slip it around this edge, because this edge here.
Or just stab yourself.
Yeah.
That'll work good.
There it goes. It has some kind of like glue from factory. So you take it out, pull it out, and you slide it up. Then you have your little plug right here. You squeeze both of them together. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle it. Pops undone. And there's your speaker.
Let's see the back side of that. There you go. Here is the adapter piece that we're going to use. It's an 824401, and this is the speaker harness that we're going to use, which is a 727800 from METRA. We're going to take this, you take your plier and pull on it, and it will knock these down. I'll show you that. Okay, so basically you just pull on it like this, and all these will fall out because you don't need them, because this is made to do 6s, 5 1/4s, I believe, probably more 6, 6 1/2, and 6 3/4. You just pull them off, and then boom, now your speaker will fit right into there. It's about the size of... So we have our adapter here. We're gonna line up the holes with this adapter piece, and then we have our speaker terminal piece connected for our wiring harness on back of there with our plug, and then that plug's gonna plug into there, and then you line up these holes right here, and inside those holes we are going to use these self-drilling self-tappers, which are 1.5 inch. You definitely want to get 1 inch or above because of the deepness of this. Speaker attached with the mounting piece right here. We did 4 self-tappers into here. It's in here super secure. Everything looks like it should from OEM.